so many people think that they have a problem with time. And because I hear expressions like when I did this workshop in Japan about time, that time beats me up, time is my enemy, okay? And when people say things like time runs out, okay, things like that, they're in a passive position with respect to time. And it's not that people have a problem with time. It's a matter of they don't yet know how to organize the structures of time. Okay. Now, everybody's able to, people accomplish outcomes. People arrive to, places on time. However, when things aren't completed, then it has to do with how they organize the structures of time. And that's learnable.